Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. Well, today's video gonna be short and simple. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make shrimp taco. So we're gonna jump ahead and start our shrimp taco right now.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So over here I have like half a pound of shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and season them. And I'm using my Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice season, all-purpose season. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my shrimp. Gonna rub them in, rub in the seasoning to them. So now I'm going to set this aside in the fridge for like an hour or two. Then I'm gonna start my veg. Now for my shrimp taco, I'm gonna start my coleslaw. Here I have some purple cabbage already cut up. I have some white cabbage cut up. I have some carrot and I chat it with my grater. Here I have some lettuce chopped up for garnish in the finish. So now I'm gonna start the coleslaw. I have my purple cabbage first. Now I'm going to add the white cabbage. I'm gonna add my carrots. Now I'm going to add half tablespoon of granulated sugar. Now I'm going to add some rice vinegar to it. That not too much. Now I'm going to give it a mix. Now over here I have my skillet hot. I'm gonna add some olive oil to cook my shrimp. Not too much olive oil. I already have my grill hot. Some time for me to drop my tortilla shell on my grill. And I'm making 4 tacos, but you only could fit 3 at a time. Now I'm going to add my shrimp to my pan. Yo. And I'm gonna cook this for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to turn my shrimp. Now my shrimp they fry. I'm gonna take them out of the pot. Turn off my stove. So now I'm going to make my taco. Here I have some chipotle sauce. Spill out. So now I'm going to add my coleslaw. Only didn't need that much. Now I'm going to add my shrimp. I'm putting like 3 pieces of shrimp. And guys, this is my shrimp taco, ready to eat. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out.